Hello all and welcome back to Graphilis. In this video we will talk about the center panel of this design editor. Starting with the center panel, so first is our canvas. This canvas is of particular size and you can check the size here. So here it is 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels. That is the size of Instagram post. Okay, so this is a particular canvas where we will be working on our design, and any element or anything which is put outside of this white blank canvas will not be included in the post simply, or you cannot save that part. Okay, so just take care, whenever you are working you have to make your design in this particular white box only. Talking about the center panel, so here first we have the rulers, and with this ruler we can particularly drag a grid, okay, and mark a part on your canvas where you have to work. So I will just click and I can drag it anywhere on this canvas. You can just see the readings at the left side, so you can drag this grid anywhere. You can drag as many as lines you want. Similarly, from the left side also you can drag this grid. Here also you can grab this. So these grid defines that we have to work in this particular area and not outside of this. Okay, so the use of these grids are that your designs will be reflected nicely on your social media or wherever you want to post it. So this is particularly a great idea. So you can also remove this grid, okay, by dragging it from the part where you made it. Okay, you just have to drag it outside or somewhere. In this particular area you can see few options like position. So this will work only when you have an element on this blank canvas. Next we have is here an option to duplicate this page. So you can duplicate this page by tapping this option. So your next page with same size is created. So whenever you duplicate a page, you now get an option to delete a page also. So you can delete this page 1 or page 2 choosing. Next we have is add a page option. So by adding a page you can similarly copy a page here, same size, that would add a blank page. Okay, so you can create as many as pages. So also to add a page you have a different option below. So you can add a page from here also, as many as pages you want. So when you create a duplicate page or add a blank page, you can also navigate through these top two buttons. You can move down to the page 2, page 3, and or you can move up to the page 2, 1. Next we have is hide page. So whenever you download a particular design, so this page won't be downloaded. Okay, the page numbering will start from here afterwards. Next we have is again duplicate page. We have a delete page. Okay, so let's add an element on this page. Like for example, we add a image of car here. Now through this image of car you will see one more option appears here, that is to lock a page. So whenever you click on this lock a page, you won't be able to edit any element on this canvas. You won't be able to move or click on this canvas. Now to edit this particular element you have to unlock the page. To unlock the page you again have to click this lock icon and you will unlock the page. Now you can use this element or move this element. So when you click on this element you will be able to see some markings on the ruler. This darken area displays the size of your image. You can also increase or decrease according to your needs. Let's try duplicate page again. So whenever you click on this icon you will get the same page with same elements on it. Okay, so this helps in when you want to work and save a particular design and you want to work on differently on different design. So after we add an element on this page, we got some options here on the top panel, that is about the background color. So when you click on this white canvas, you can change the background color by choosing any background color here. You can click and choose any. Similarly, it will suggest you some colors relating to this image which will match the background, so you can select these also according to your needs. Next we have some animate option here. So animate means the elements present on this particular page will be animated. So like you can just hover and check this like fun. So this image, that is the element, will be applied with particular animation. So this is a good option. Next we have position. So position simply means the different arrangement of this particular element in this canvas. You will see you can select anything from here, and accordingly the element will be arranged. Okay, next we have is the copy style. Okay, you can copy this style, this whole style, and you can just paste it somewhere here. So the color that we copied from this canvas is pasted here on the page 3. Next we have is the lock background. Again the same option that we used here, so you can lock the background so that it cannot be edited. Okay, so this was particularly about the middle part. Okay, so the next thing we can do on this particular canvas for our ease is we can add grid lines, we can add margins, we can define the area where we have to create a design. That can be done by the option here. You need to go to files, settings, and you can add guides. You can add number according to your wishes. Okay, and next we have option for show margins. So you will define here margins. Another way is, as we talked about, is dragging the lines and defining the margins. So that's another option. Next we have show print bleed. So you will define an area that after this particular line it may be possible that while printing your design may look bad. Okay, video quality playback. So that's an option when we save our video, when we save our design in video quality. So this is all about this particular canvas area. Okay, you may add as many as elements you want on this canvas. You may also add some photos or media videos, whatever you have uploaded. Okay, so below also you may see some options, like this is the option for notes. So here this is very helpful when you are giving a presentation. You can add your notes here, and while presenting you may read the notes, but this won't be visible to the other person who is viewing your presentation. So it's very helpful in that case. Next we have here is page 1 to 7, which defines the page number on which you are working on. Next we have is this zoom out and zoom in option. You may need to zoom in or zoom out from your particular design, so you can use this option. Next we have is grid view. That is definitely used when you have created multiple designs. So you would just click and you can see all the canvas or the number of pages you have created here. Next we have is here the full screen option. So whatever design you create, you can view it in full screen. And as you can see, this arrow option appears, so you may click it to view all the page numbers. Okay, next we have is the question mark. So you can ask for any help from Canva if you are stuck somewhere. So guys, this was all about this particular lecture where we discussed about the center panel of Design Editor. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.